Hello, everybody and everyone. I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Alfian Yulianto. People usually call name is Vian or Piong. Now I live in Bekasi, and then I would like to read an assignment that is stem with coral colonies. Coral colonies require a series of complicated events and circumstances to develop into the characteristically intricate reef structure for which they are now. These events and circumstances involve physical and chemical process as well as delicate interaction among various animals and plants for coral colonies to thrive. The basic element in the development of coralline reef structure is a group of animals from the Anthozoa class, called stony coral, that is closely related to jellyfish and sea anemones. They are small polyps, individual animal that make up the coral reef, which are the most part only a fraction of an inch in length. Life in colonies made up of an immeasurable number of polyps clustered together. Each individual polyp obtains calcium from the sweet seawater, where it lives to create a skeleton around the lower part of its body, and the polyps. Many polyps tend to retreat inside of their skeleton during hours of daylight and then stretch partially outside of their skeleton during hours of darkness of feed on minutes plankton from the water around. The mound at the top of each body is surrounded by rings of tentacles used to grab onto food, and the string of tentacles make the polyps look like flower with rings of clustered petals. Because of this biology of yours talk the coral were plants rather than animal. Once the coralline structure are stabilized, the reproducts very quickly double in upward and outward direction to create a fringe of living coral surrounding the skeletal. The remnants of living coral. That's coralline structure and commonplace in tropical water around the world is due to the fact that they reproduce so quickly rather than the fact that they are hard life form easily able to withstand external force of nature. They cannot survive in water that is too dirty, and they need water that is at least 70 Fahrenheit or 212 Celsius to exist. So they are firm only in water ranging from 300 north to 300 south of the equator. They need significant amount of sunlight, so they live only with an area between the surface of the ocean and a few meters beneath. In addition, they require specific types of microscopic algae for the existence. They also prey to other sea animals, such as sponge and clams, the burrow into their skeletal structure and weaken them. And then, coral colonies cannot build reef structure without considerable assistance. The many openings in among the skeleton must be filled in cemented together by material from around the colonies. The filling material of consists of fine sediments created either from the borings and was of another animal around the coral or from the skeleton, shells, and remnants. Thank you. Hello, everybody and everyone. I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Alfian Yulianto. People usually call name is Vian or Piong. Now I live in Bekasi, and then I would like to read an assignment that is stem with coral colonies. And now, what I found synonym in the paragraph include number 1, reproduction in synonym with breeding. Example sentence: mother ducks will breed and produce eggs. Number 2, tentacle synonym arms. Example sentence: my arm hurts because I fell down the stairs. And 3, the synonym of ganga is alga. Example sentence: the alga can be used as a health drink. And number 4, synonym for outline is design. Example sentence: the design of the house was made by Alfian Yulianto. Number 5, synonym of colony is group. Example sentence: the fish around group together to avoid being approached by predator. And the next, synonym colony is group. Example sentence: the fish are grouped together to avoid being approached by predator. And then the next, synonym of element is component. Example sentence: reserve component of the Indonesia National Army. The next, synonym of if individual is personal. Example sentence: personal is my person is known to people as a strong and diligent person. And the next, synonym of event is occurrence. Example sentence: the incident on Wednesday was the case of Agus being hurt. Thank you.